In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to export orders in CSV or Excel format using the plugin's Export Order feature. Click Export Orders from the Network Admin menu. The Export Order page will appear. Select Export File Format, either CSV or XLS. XLS is from Microsoft Excel. Both can be opened by Microsoft Excel and other compatible tools. For better compatibility, CSV is recommended. Now select a date range. You can select both date ranges or either one of them. We are selecting from January 1st to January 31st. Orders within that range will be downloaded. You are free to select any date range. You can further refine the selection by order status. We have selected completed orders only. From the site option, we can select one site or all of our sites. We want to download orders for all of our sites. We can also select row settings. We can either have one row per product or one row per order. We are selecting one row per order. Lastly, we can select which fields we want in the exported file. Click the Network fields to add Network ID. There are a lot of other options you can add from this section depending on your need. Finally, we are ready to download the file. Click Export and your file will start downloading. You can open the file with Excel or import the orders into your other systems for further processing.